The next one, it's called profit and loss, P&L. That's a usual tool that everybody, the majority of the people knows. Usually your accountants or CPAs asking for profit and loss when you're trying to sell a company. So when you go to the profit and loss, it's more like a top view of your numbers. You can see your cost of goods. You can see, hey, my cost of goods is progressing, while you can see also percentages here. Like, for example, your sales is 88%, but your cost of goods is 12%. Okay, how I can reduce this to 10%? And it's more like for strategic work and also analyzing like what your true net profits inside the business. And also you can see every category. You can also export this. If you're going to export this to Excel, it's going to export like values like this, like the names. But if you're going to export in Excel expanded, it's going to download the report with numbers like that. You see, like when you maximize them. So it's going to show like everything that you was doing. Usually when you send this to the accountant, they want to just sales, just the basic numbers, just main categories. But when you do it yourself, maybe you want to dig into the numbers in terms of like the whole company and like say, hey, we're facing such a high refunds. What we can do to reduce refunds? Maybe we can add some instructions. Maybe we can add people some bonus as some ebook. Maybe we can add people like maybe we can add some inserts with the manuals or that will more clearly explain how to use this product. And you would be surprised, guys. But even speaking about like Sellerise, do you know how many people sometimes they go into the Sellerise, they understand numbers, but they never been a business people. So for them, they require additional education to understand like, hey, how my taxes works. And it's great when people asking for additional education. It means they becoming more professional. The same way as your customers. I remember we sell bicycle seats. For me, it seems like it's easy. You take a bicycle seat and you just replace it, But it was really funny, not funny, but I would say it was really surprising, but that some people really need detailed instructions how to remove the previous seat, how to install and screw the new seat. Don't underestimate a power of clear and quality instructions. So that's something that you need to work on all the time.
Gonna reduce refunds, returns maybe, and all that.
Exactly. Every dollar saved is every dollar earned. How do people say in Israel? Yeah.
Something like that, man.
I think it's in every part of the world, like I think it's just was it doesn't matter in which part of the world you save the money, you still earn more.
There you go.